Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a DIY, a homemade sugar scrub using essential oils. This sugar scrub is super easy and affordable, makes a great gift or perfect for yourself. Here's what you're gonna need. Jars to contain your sugar scrub, scissors to cut your label, a label to tell you what is inside the jar, and you'll need 3 essential oils. That is lime, orange, and lemon. Of course, sugar and some type of carrier oil. I'm using grapeseed. You'll need rubbing alcohol to clean the tops of your jars to adhere your stickers properly so they don't fall off. These are waterproof stickers to put on the jar so they don't come off in the shower. And then I have a tool that I use for my Cricut to take off the backing and rub the label on nicely. Now, first things first, take your cotton round and put a little bit of alcohol on that and clean the top of your jar just to clean any residue and let it dry. Now it's time to place your label on your jar. I like to do this first just because the carrier oil sometimes gets on the top and causes the sticker or however you're gonna label your jar to come off. So I'm using this little tool to remove this backing. It's just a little easier because I don't have nails. And then I'm gonna put it right on the jar and smooth it out. You can use a credit card to do this or the little smoothing tool from your Cricut machine. I did want to mention sugar scrubs are amazing to remove dead skin cells, freshen dull skin, and we're going to combine 3 essential oils and they are a wonderful smell. It gives the smell of candy corn, but you can use any essential oils, so don't feel that you're obligated to use the 3 I'm using today. Now here we go. In a bowl, you're going to mix 1 cup of sugar. I'm using an organic sugar here, and then a ½ cup of your favorite carrier oil. I am using grapeseed today, but you can use coconut, almond oil, olive oil, whatever you choose. You're gonna add 10 drops of lime essential oil, 10 drops of lemon essential oil, and 10 drops of orange essential oil into your bowl and give it a good mix. Next, you're going to take your sugar scrub and place it inside of your desired jars. You want to leave about 1/4 of an inch from the top clear with no scrub so it doesn't seep over when you put the cap on it. So just make sure there's a 1/4 head space on the top of your jar when you're filling it. Okay, so go ahead and clean the top of the jar, just making sure there's no scrub residue. Screw on your lid and enjoy. You can use this in the shower, in the bathtub. You can give it as a gift or use it for yourself. I like to leave a jar by my guest sink, so when my guests come over, they can use the scrub on their hands. All you're gonna do is apply a tablespoon to the desired areas and rub in a circular motion and rinse. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Remember to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any videos from me, and I hope to see you guys real soon.